Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be unboxing Mojo Box. This is a foodie Mojo Box, and I was pleasantly surprised when the PR had contacted me and they sent me over this Mojo Box. They have different types of Mojo Boxes. So this is the foodie edition, and I really liked it because there was a collective of different products in one box. Many products I have not tried, so this is the first time I tried it, and all the products were very healthy that they sent me. So all the products that they sent me had natural ingredients, less preservatives or no preservatives at all. And many products I would like to purchase it again and try it on a regular basis. So if you ask me how many products were inside this box, I was totally surprised. Inside the small box there were a total of 10 products, all packed in such a way that it was really surprising for us. So these ice lollies though was so good. I froze them and then I tried it. I'm sorry I couldn't record a video, but it was very nice. So these are all the products that I received. I'm going to try each one and I'm going to show you how exactly it looks. So first is the waffle chips. So the waffle chips were coated with chocolate, and it had a mild vanilla flavor which was very nice. Next is the Niblerizz gummies. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This is 100% vegan, no preservatives, very clean product. I highly recommend it. I like the black carrot and the blueberry flavor in these gummies. It was very nice, very unique and very tasty. Next is the Malkist cheese flavored crackers. These cheese flavored crackers had a savory taste, and it's a perfect snack if you're going to pack some school lunches or office lunch. Next, I tried the Pintola peanut chiki, which is a very healthy treat, especially if you're packing some school lunches or office lunch. This is a perfect treat. It's made out of 100% jaggery. Then I tried the Safola oodles. This I prepared in a microwave using hot water. It was very easy to prepare. I like the taste and I like the soup in this. And then I tried the cheesy pasta. Cheesy pasta was again very tasty. I'll post all the information about Mojo Box in the description box below this video. Till next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching.